I'm joined by Homaid Shemmari, Director of Mubadala Aerospace at the Dubai Show. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
You've announced that you're 12 months away from opening Strata, the composites aerostructure facility. Can you tell us what you produce here and the time frame for this?
Strata is a part of our aerospace diversification plans. We have a strategy that we developed in 2006 to get Abu Dhabi involved into the aerospace. A major sector of the strategy was to build aerostructure composite material, aircraft parts here in Abu Dhabi. And the idea is that we wanted to go after the parts of the industry where they're capital intense, energy intense, and with high automation and technologies. So Strata, we've been working with our partners, Airbus, Finmeccanica, Aviaton, and FACC over the past 2 years to reach this point where we're making the empennage for the ATR from Aviaton Aeronautica. We're making the flat track fairings for the A380 with Airbus. We're making the ailerons for the 340 and 330 with Airbus, and the spoilers for 330, 340 and 380 Airbus. So we're very excited about the technology and the manufacturing capabilities. We're starting from a greenfield, if you want to say, in Abu Dhabi.
You've also just announced an agreement with Airbus. Can you tell me a bit more about that? How does that help you become a Tier 1 supplier?
Well, this is another step towards cementing the relationship we have and the partnership we have with Airbus. Airbus has shown great commitment and trust in Abu Dhabi and Mubadala to become one of their key suppliers. They're also helping us with a lot of enhancing our engineering and research and development activities to ultimately reach our goal of becoming a Tier 1 supplier for Airbus and hopefully Boeing in the future.
Can you tell us how the deal with GE made at the Paris Airshow is going?
The GE partnership is going amazingly well. We're quite happy with the commitment that we've seen from GE over this piece. They are helping us tremendously with our companies at Abu Dhabi Aircraft Technologies and SRT. We are progressing the plans to become one of the GE complete overhaul shops for the Gen X engine on the 787. We have other engines that GE has allowed us to enhance our capabilities and develop further competencies within Abu Dhabi. So we're extremely happy with that relationship.
Mubadala has bought shares in a number of aerospace companies. Will this trend be continuing?
We're always looking at a mix between make and buy. What are the technologies we can grow organically or greenfield in Abu Dhabi, and also to be able to meet our extreme targeted timelines. We always are going after a buy model. Right now, we're not looking at that excessively. We're really focusing on delivering at our commitment in Abu Dhabi and working with our existing assets that we have right now and actually enhancing the relationship and the capabilities within those assets.
How has the financial climate affected the company's aerospace growth plans?
The financial crisis has impacted the whole world, as you know. This is nothing to hide. But from Abu Dhabi perspective, from a Mubadala perspective, our plans were always a long-term plans and strategies. So, a cyclical nature of the financial market or the aerospace industry does not impact the long-term plans. We had to adjust some of our immediate plans, but that's just to meet the deadlines and the timelines we have on programs. So it was not a major impact in our view into our strategy.
How are plans progressing for ADAT to have capability to perform the A380 maintenance?
ADAT has always had capabilities for the A380. The first Middle East A380 hangar was built about 3 years ago. But the issue is the A380 program delay. We were always ahead of time prepared for it. We are still enhancing further capabilities to address the A380, the 787, all of those platforms, and we are very well and very ahead of the curve of the requirement of our customers.
The Middle East is an increasingly important market within aviation. What changes do you think we'll see in the region over the next 10 years?
I think we continue to see the Middle East playing a major role in the market. in aviation and industry. I think now we're enhancing our capabilities as an industrial partner, not just an operation partner. I think that's the trend that we want to cement and move forward into. And the Middle East is going to play a key role into the industry. If you look at the capital requirement of the industry, the energy requirements of the industry, and the future talents needed for the industry, I think the Middle East is the right region to flourish within those requirements.
It seems Mubadala has big potential to be one of the most important players in the aerospace sector. What are the ultimate aims and ambitions of the company, and in what time frame will they be achieved?
Mubadala is an entity, a development company owned by the government of Abu Dhabi. So our mandate is the mandate of the government of Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi has a strategic goals to diversify the economy away from the petrochemicals base that we have right now by 2030. We have identified the aerospace piece as to be one of the industries we're interested to get into. By 10 years, we should be able to contribute a significant percentage to the GDP from the aerospace. We should be an employer of choice for our young UAE national talents, both women and men. We want to be a prominent partner for the existing powers in aerospace. We want to make sure that Boeing, Airbus, Embraer, Bombardier, Lockheed Martin, Dassault all look at Abu Dhabi and the UAE as the primary partner within this industry. That's our aim for the next 10 years.
Thank you very much. I'm Marianne Baldwin for UBMA Aviation.
Thank you.